She walk off. Remember saying, no, then that plan for take down my friend Candy.
I'll tell you,
First it
brother,
was
fuck her.
Brassy, and Brassy left. Then it was Candy, and I said, not a blood cleat. I said, Candy, all when me can't fight, me nah left you out here alone. And then when we come at them, and then say, all right then, Diary, we gonna fuck you up. And all of them plan for me, and them plan for me, and Candy full of information. You never know me a diary, great big book of everything. Why you think I call myself diary of a mad Jamaican girl? Because I have everybody business locked and documented. And me also is a mad blood clot girl from Jamaica. You see you, Tanya, I'm not done with you. So what's like how you take down my page right now? I'm sorry. Because you see next time when me come on this a blood clot live, yeah, people are gonna cry shame and I get my recordings there, man. Me I get my recordings them and me I make Bash beat up your mama blood clot with the mouth. Bash eat your mother. Me say one night when we attack to Bash said Beverly all wicked man. Beverly all fuck out wicked girls. I think I joke thing this. I said Tanya and the SWAT team them, they are organized criminals. Them gala, we watch you for years. Watch you for years. Study you, take off your pitch to friend you. Tanya, I want come out like she nice. She and dirty blood clot Stambosi, aka Slimmers.
Yeah.
Nasty Stambosi who used to come tell me them blood clot business. I know through me come my mouth slip on the live. You know want to tell me no more information. What is Stambosi? Yeah, you send me that drink and I there's some mouth kind of.
You want to see her over judge a type up in the comments. Start the truth, tell ya. Hey, me say, the whole of the hell I go catch you know. Me say, hell I wait for una blood clot.
Hell now.
Hell I wait for you. Hanya, the whole lot of una hell I wait for.
And now we're panic and then that.
Stambosi were ball to we until we say, oh, your SWAT team need to go down, but because you've been in there so long, I say all the time when no, because listen, we never. I know we record.
We never record her.
And them send things to we. But that's the one. That's the one with Brushy where Brushy up on the phone with them. Brushy record it because Brushy didn't want we realize what kind of people we are deal with. You understand me? Because back. Tanya spent 5 hours. If you think I lie, me I tell. Me say what do you me and Brassy them I look back in my profile diary. She know she have to delete my page. The woman clear out all of them.
So she a clear us a diary. I send me screenshot and I said, watch how she a clear them.
One morning me wake up, Berry, right? Berry, I always say